Hi guys, I was recently given a Ninja Foodi Smoothie Bowl Maker for my birthday. It was purchased from Target for around $90 and this thing is awesome. I really enjoy the fact that it did come with two smoothie cups and the smaller cup that you see here. This is actually a smoothie bowl maker. You're not really meant to eat your smoothie out of that, so just a heads up. So I thought it'd be fun to not only test this new blender, but to also show off all the smoothies that I'm making. It's been fun and really easy, and most of the fruit I've used is just frozen mixed fruit. And besides that, I've just been adding apple juice and water to the smoothies. I've tried a couple of variations, like using almond milk instead, or adding a fresh banana, along with frozen strawberries. Just a couple of small variations have made amazing differences. I'd like to warn you before you get to the next clip that this blender is extremely loud. Raise your expectations like twofold for how loud you actually think this blender is, and that's where we're at.